iPhone photos for a listing. Let's get started. To take photos for your upcoming listings, if you have a DSLR with a wide-angle lens, that's great, but it isn't as quick and easy as using an iPhone. Many of the most recent iPhones, iPhone 8 through iPhone 11 Pro Max, are powerful enough to create high-quality images you can use to market your property. In this video, we will share tips professionals use to take advantage of the iPhone camera to capture engaging photos. First, use a tripod. Second, use a Bluetooth trigger to take the picture. Using a tripod and a trigger prevents you from accidentally moving the iPhone, which can result in blurry images. Sync the Bluetooth trigger with the iPhone. By using a tripod and a Bluetooth trigger, you can significantly improve your iPhone photos. Before taking pictures at the property, turn on lights throughout the house. Set the iPhone and tripod in various locations to capture all rooms of the home. You'll have a set of photos ready to promote your listing. Watch for our next video where you will learn to take HDR or high dynamic range photos with your iPhone. Thank you for watching.